Hi children, very good morning. Welcome to our English class. Children, this is your phonics skill book. In that you have to open page number 40 and you can see here the topic is different O sounds. So, let's learn different O sounds, children. Here they given some pictures. Okay, let's learn this. What is this? O-U. So, O-U. It takes the sound OW. So, for these two letters, we will get single sound. What is that sound? Ow. Okay, got it, children? So, let's come to the words. So, H-O-U-S-E, house. Okay. So, you can see for these two letters for O-U, we will say ow sound. So, for H, we will say ha, ha. Yaralava, ha will come, no, that ha. Ha, how, sa, house. Ha, ow, sa, house. So, here E is silent, you have to cross E, okay? So, house. Ha, ow, sa, house. What is this? Cloud. You can see clouds, no children? Yes. We can see clouds in the sky, isn't it? Yes. So, what is this? C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Cl, for CL we will say cl, O, D, cloud. Cl, O, D, cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. What is this, children? Mouse. You all know mouse, isn't it? Yeah, so mouse have a sharp teeth, children. It can cut anything. So, let's learn this, okay? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Ma-O-S, mouse. Here also E is silent, so cross he. Ma-O-S, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. So let's move on to O-W sounds. Okay, O-W, it takes a sound of ow. Ow. Got it? Short O sound is A. So W sound is wa. A mixes with wa and it takes a sound ow. Okay. O-W, owl. So you can see owl here, children. Yes, O-W-L, owl. A-W-L, owl. Owl, owl. Okay, or you can see together we should say. For these two letters, we should say a single sound, children. You should not say two sounds. Owl, owl. Okay, yes. What is this? C-O-W, cow. Cow gives us milk, isn't it, children? Yes. C-O-W, cow. K-O, cow. Okay. K-O, cow. What is this? It is a brown color. Yes. So, how we should pronounce this? Br. For BR, we will say only one sound. Br. Br. Ow. N. Brown. See? Br. Ow. N. Brown. Once again. Br. Ow. N. Brown. Next. Crow. What is this? Crow. 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 See? Crow. We should say at once. Crow. Oh. Crow. See? Crow. Oh. Crow. Got it, children? Crow. Oh. Crow. Next, for CR we will say crow. For OW we will say ow. Crow. Oh. Crow. What is this? Pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W. Pillow. See? P-E-L. Double L is there, no? Double L means lage lavattu. Pill. See? P-I-L. Pill. 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 Ow. Pillow. Got it, children? Pill. Ow. Pillow. So, how you have to say pillow? How you have to say pillow? Okay. What is this? Y-E-L-L-O-W. L-O. What is this? L-O. You can observe L-O. So, you can sense in the last we are getting a vowel sound, isn't it? Yes. L-O. Got it? So, Y-E-L-L-L. See here. L-L. Y-E-L-L-L-O. L-O. Got it? Y-E-L-L-O-W. L-O. Just small bit of verse sound, children. L-O. Got it? What is this? O-I sound. For O-I, we should say oi. For O-I, we should say oi. Got it? O-I, oi. Got it, children? Yes. So, O-I-L, oil. See, for O-I, we should say only one sound, that is oi. Oil, oil. See, oil, oil. Oil means we use for cooking, children. So, we use oil to fry Papad, samosas and all, isn't it children? Yes. What is this? Boil. 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 See, boil. 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 What is this? So, oil, soil. Soil, soil. Soil. Once again, oil, soil. Okay. What is this children? Oy. Hoy. So here we should leave some hair from our mouth while pronouncing y. Okay. Boy. We'll say no boy. Hi. Hi ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ ಐ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡು. ವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಓಯ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ. ಆಯ್. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಾಯ್. ಹಾಯ್. ಹಾಯ್ ಆ ಥರ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಯ್. ಹಾಯ್. ಸೊ OY hoy. BOY boy. BOY boy. Got it children? TOYS toys. Toys toys. Okay. Toys toys. What is this? ENJOY enjoy. You can see the boy and girl are enjoying in a beach. Isn't it children? They are laughing and they are enjoying in a beach. ENJOY enjoy. 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 Oy. Nodi oy. So enjoy. Enjoy. ENJOY enjoy. Okay children, so I have given these words for homework. You have to write each word 3 times. So and you have to send a oral video of these words pronunciation children. Okay, so many of the children are not submitting homeworks in time, so strictly I'm warning you, you have from today you have to submit homework in time. So I'm going to do the corrections in the group itself. So because means I can understand every day I used to correct the children, only nowadays I'm not sending the comments. From today I'm going to send you the comments. So I want you to submit homework in time without fail. Okay children, got it? Bye bye children, enjoy your day.